Welcome back to OJT Garage, folks. We got Javon's.
You said folks.
Folks. We got Javon's new motor. Well, brand spanking used.
Brand spanking used.
Tell them about the motor, because I don't really know anything about this motor.
Just the year, it's an F23. The year is between 98 and what, 2001, I believe.
What did you come out of?
Yeah, that's all this thing.
Oh, okay. I was waiting.
That's what I'm saying. The year is between 1998 and I think 2001. Accords, the CG8s, I think they call. But yeah, I'm just about to just strip it down, power wash it.
All right. So yeah, so we gotta clean this up. We gotta clean out his engine bay, because if you see his engine bay, it's a little like disturbing. Yeah, it's disturbing in there. So, and then you gotta take parts off the old one, right?
Yeah.
You can show them the old motor and the engine bay, and then so if you look up in the motor here, it's still on the lift. So if you look up there, see, it's pretty grimy out there. So we gotta get all that out, because the last owner, whoever had it, didn't really even clean the engine bay or engine or stuff like that. Anything, yeah. So, and that's the, excuse me, sorry guys. That's the one we're taking off now. You know anybody else who put one of these in their car yet or no?
Yeah, if you put these in the car.
Oh, okay.
It's not. It just depends on what they actually do with them. But
yeah,
I mean, if anybody's going a typical swap route, they're not going to an F series. They're probably going H when it comes to Accords. But you know, it's going to be F turbo.
Yeah,
there's a couple of those done, but I would like to try it out and execute it.
So when you turbo it, what do you think you're going to get for power though?
I just want 300.
300.
But realistically, I think I'm.
You know, I think what we should do is when you turbo and you get 300, I think we should race.
I'm down.
Down to race the Rex?
I'm down. I'm so down. I will. I'll get another one for $150 and freaking blow that one too. Let's go. Nah, but realistically, I think I'm gonna make around like between 260 and probably like around 270, 280.
Yeah, 270, 280.
With all the the setup that I'm going with, given that it's still kind of stock, I might be able to get.
It still wouldn't be a fair race though. I have to give you like Carlins.
Yeah, but
I still have like
on
about 100 horses on you.
Yeah. Until I do a block, that's when once I do like a piston and rod setup with like say like little port on the head and stuff, then I'll be like around the same horsepower.
Yeah.
But that's like next
unless
year.
you do some weight reduction.
Oh yeah.
We should have brought this to like one of the car wash places. Dropped it in. No? Why not?
Try that.
Why?
They don't like that.
Oh, they don't like that?
Nope.
They can't stop you, man. We got Corona. Even like somebody close to that spot on you. So I did a time lapse for you guys, because that would have been kind of boring. You guys sit there the whole time and just watch us pressure wash the motor and the transmission. But this is what it looks like afterwards. Just want to show you guys that. And then we'll be doing the Accord engine bay next. So it's clean. It looks a lot better. What do you think, right?
Yeah, it looks way better. We'll still do probably like a light OEM color spray.
Yeah.
Before it actually goes in the car, but.
Yeah, pants are all wet, but it's good. Come around. Now we got to back up the car. Okay, next step. We got the cord out. When I was hosing it down, well, not hosing that, spraying it down. So it makes it easier for me to pressure wash it.
I'm about to hit the first spray now.
how this looks.
Look at that. How white that just came.
Oh wow, so huge difference. Hold on, I can get on here. Yeah, spray it again, good.
Alright, so finished power washing it. Changed up a lot, plus a lot of little nicks and things and little small rust spots I'm gonna take care of, sand down and repaint next weekend.
Yeah. If you guys remember how this looked in the beginning of this video, the pressure washing and degreaser did wonders.
Could have used a little brush in certain
You know,
corners.
as you can see right here, and that area right there was really bad. Down there was also bad, by that brace down there. And then this here wasn't even white, really.
It wasn't white at all. It was like teeth yellow.
What color my teeth? Mother of pearl. Remember that commercial? Yeah. So yeah, so what's next plan?
Let it dry out for a quick second. After we just blow dried it, but probably gonna might tuck a little bit of little things that I can right now until it dries really good. But I definitely gotta power wash the subframe for the front. I want to upgrade that so bad to get like a actual traction bar that they have. I think it's ESP or it's one company that has it. I'm definitely gonna check them out because it clears up a lot of spaces. Much way thinner than it is. Has a smaller torque bracket, and plus I have a LSD transmission, so definitely gonna need that. All right, so for next week, this is what we got. I'm gonna do. This is what we got, or this is what I'm gonna do. Either one, pick a choose.
It's getting cold out here, so we're trying to hurry up.
But I'm gonna start tucking a lot of the wires because I'm gonna take advantage of the fact that I'm not ordering parts just yet because I'm a little nervous with shipping and how soon I'm gonna get my parts, whether my parts gonna get fully delivered since everything's backed up because of this freaking cough corona disease or virus, whatever.
The beer flu.
So I'm gonna just take a lot of advantage of that time that I have because car season's definitely, everybody knows it's postponed at this point.
Postponed further notice.
Start tucking wires. I want to put the fuse box in the car. I want to delete the ABS, remove that system, redo my power steering lines. A lot of little things like that I want to get rid of or fix or replace. Even any of the lines like the clutch line, the factory clutch line I'm ripping that out. I got a stainless steel clutch line I'm gonna use.
So we got a lot of prep time. So since we got like an extension on our exam for car season, we're gonna prep it a little bit more. And did you say paint?
No. Oh yeah, definitely want to
paint a little bit.
Paint it a little, do like a little touch-up paint on a lot of the heavy spots that didn't come on. I'll try to get them all with some brake cleaner, but got for the most part got as much dirt as I can get off with power wash and some degreaser. So definitely gonna hit it with some paint and give it a little clean spray.
All right. So if you have any ideas on or any suggestions, or what do you think we should also do with this that maybe we haven't talked about, please comment down below. We're still learning and stuff, as are you, hopefully, or maybe not. I don't know. But so we look forward to your comments and like and subscribe. Thanks.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, well, like, comment, subscribe.
Comment,
subscribe.
Yeah. So how they gonna just like and subscribe and not, put a comment? You asked them to do something already.
Yeah.
So then you didn't say comment. So they didn't comment.
No, comment. I just said comment. Alright, whatever. Like and subscribe and comment. Thanks. See you later.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my post to say now, I've been humble too long.